Good morning, everybody. It is currently 9:34. I don't know what I did with my back, but like this morning I woke up just fine, and then all of a sudden I had a sharp pain. I took a shower, which helped me move a little bit, but now the stiffness is coming back again. I'm gonna take some Tylenol just to help me, but like I can move my neck, but every time I turn it I get this sharp pain in my upper spine. It's hard for me to lift my arms, so I'm hoping this is just a sprain or something. I don't know. I don't want to go to the chiropractor over it, but yeah, Miss Charlotte's already dressed, and I love it when I can dress her whole outfits for like $2 or $3 because that's how I shop. Yesterday I went to Kohl's, and I might do a random haul for you guys, but yesterday I went to Kohl's and I had $5 Kohl's cash, and I found a shirt on clearance, I think for like $1.20. I'm like, I'm not passing up a shirt for $1.20, because most likely when I resell their clothes I'll sell them for $1. So it's just like, yeah. So I was pretty excited with that. But yeah, my back is killing me today. I'm going to start working on my friend's welcome sign, and I'm actually probably gonna probably make a separate video for it, because it's my first time making it, so I'm like, I have no idea what I'm in for. Sorry, I'm cleaning up as I'm talking. I have no idea what I'm in for. It's gonna be my biggest project I have ever made, and I'm hoping it turns out to her liking. But we will see. We will see what happens. But yeah, I gotta figure out all the prices for that, because it's gonna be a little bit pricey for that. So we got that going on. Yeah, I'm just in a lot of pain right now. Oh, it hurts so badly. It hurts so badly. But it was so nice, you know, to get out of town yesterday. But funny thing is, like, now they're starting to open things up, but you still got to keep your distance. And I asked Graham if my mom could come over and stay for a couple days, like in the middle of the week. He didn't say no, but the thing is, it's like, they just still don't want you in like huge groups. But she's literally been just stuck at home. I mean, she's been going places here and there, but it's just like, I feel so bad for her, and I'd want her to come here and just come hang out with us for a little bit, and then, you know, she could watch the kids while Graham and I work on the basement. I always feel more motivated, you know, and it's not like usually when she's here we have so much stuff to do, but when she comes down this time, we can't do anything. Like, we could go shopping, but we don't need to. But, because I'm not taking the kids anywhere in the stores, so, and usually they come along with us, and we can't go to restaurants. So I think when I call her today, I'm going to see if she maybe wants to come down for a couple days this week. Well, probably next week. But I don't know. I just think she deserves it. Because, I mean, we hung out with people the other day. And Benny Pooh. Hey, find your new shirt. You can wear that today. Your dinosaur shirt. It's by my desk. Charlotte is so obsessed with Ben's underwear. I have no idea. It's like a blankie, and she just walks around the house with the underwear. It's so funny.
You tried to walk in with it again.
But yeah, so that's my goal for today, is to start working on my friend's welcome sign, and then I want to start taking pictures of some vinyl and putting it up there, you guys. I've been talking to two of you guys on fonts and everything, so I want to get that kind of started and figured out what I'm going to do. But yeah, pretty excited to figure out, you know, more stuff. I have somebody who wants me to make a wreath for them, so I gotta do that. But I'll probably get that stuff cut out either today, maybe tomorrow. I gotta work on my Walgreens breakdown video today. But I just am hoping, you know, we have a good day. And then at 2 o'clock, we actually have a Zoom meeting for Ben. There's this place in Madison that does like studies on kids, and basically they pay you $10 for you to come to their building, and they just like have the kids like play a little game. They give you a book, a shirt, or $10, and we always take the $10. But they asked us if we could do it over a Zoom meeting today, and they'd send us a $10 Amazon gift card. And usually when they give us the $10, I let Ben go to the, you know, the toy store and get like one toy. We have a Mattel toy store here that sells stuff like 60% off, and that's why I always get my gifts. I'm gonna take you guys there sometime. I don't think it's open, but sometimes when this whole fiasco ends, I'm gonna show you guys like a little tour of it, because it is awesome. There's only I think, in the United States, but look it up and see if you guys have it. It's the Mattel Toy Store. There's one in Wisconsin, I think there's one in California, and I can't remember the other 3 are, but it's super awesome. That's where I always have been getting toys lately, because they sometimes have stuff for like 60% off, and the thing that's wrong with it is the packaging just got damaged. So I'm like, you know what, I don't care if it's for my kids and they don't care, and the product is completely fine, we got that. But Miss Charlotte's just walking up a storm. I'm going to pick up some stuff if I can. I got to do a review for the track, but we're going to have a successful day. I'm going to have some breakfast, and I will catch you guys back in a bit. So it is 2:25. I don't even know what I was doing. Oh, I was working on my friend's thing, so I have it down to a T. I just have to wait for this stencil vinyl that I get to start cutting it out, so I'll do that. But I'm going to start sanding her board and gonna get that painted today. Ben just did his Zoom meeting, so basically what they did is they had him like hide in the screen, and then they just showed her with a special screen, and then he just had to choose stuff. But that was kind of cool. We've done this a ton of times. They just basically, you know, do it for studies. And there was like some Netflix show, I think called Babies, whatever, that they were involved in, which was kind of cool. But Benjamin liked it. Did you like doing that more at home or going somewhere and doing it?
I'm doing it at home.
Yeah, it was more comfortable at home. So they might even start doing that at home because it's just easier for the kids.
When I was done, so I'm gonna go to there.
Oh, okay.
Again.
So there's that. I haven't had much of a productive day because my back is killing me.
The mom was trying to stretch on the trampoline.
Yeah, I was trying to stretch my back, but it's just not stretching. But yeah, I don't know. I'm mad at Fetch, you guys. Like, I don't know if I did anything. Okay, I don't know if I responded back. But after they blocked me, I sent this girl a message saying, hey, what did I do to get deactivated? And so I'm waiting for them to send a response. It's been over 24 hours and they still haven't sent a response. So then I also tried to redeem my gift card again, and it said it won't let me. It won't let me, sorry, Ben's radio is super loud, but it won't let me redeem a card. And I'm like, just why? So I don't know. Should I wait for them to respond to me, or do you think I should contact the girl that I went on a tour with, I think back in January? I mean, I'm kind of pissed off about this, because it's like, you know, if they screw me over, then I'm not going to push their app ever again. So, and I talked to Llewellyn yesterday, and she said she's having problems too. So I don't know if the company's hurting or what. I have no idea, but I'm just saying, if they don't want me to refer it, that's fine. I'm just sick of it. Unless it's the multiple people trying to ruin the system. I have no idea, but I think I'm gonna text her anyways. I'm just gonna say, hey, what's up? So I will see you guys in a bit when I get more productive, and I'm gonna start painting. So it is currently 8:46. I don't know. Today I got some stuff done. I painted this board that I needed for my friend. I worked on that, Ben, here you go. I worked on my layout for a while. Don't lose both of them. I'm currently watching Twilight because I love Twilight. I'm actually watching
There's a movie named My Little Pony.
Yeah, take both of those, honey. Twilight's one of my favorite movies, but this is the extended edition, and I'm surprised I've never seen it. So that's what I'm watching right now, and I've only watched like, what, 10 minutes of it or whatever, and there's already scenes that I haven't seen. I'm like, how am I not seeing this? But I washed all the rugs in the kitchen today because we spilled baby food on it the other day, and so I washed them and then let them dry outside today, and then I swept the floor, and then tomorrow I'm gonna mop, or I might mop later tonight, I don't know, but I'm just gonna leave the rugs off the floor for now. I called my friend up, and we talked for like almost an hour, because I talk to her all the time. Me and her always had play dates every single week, and now with this whole thing, we haven't seen each other since March, February, I don't remember. So we were talking about that. Yeah. So for Fetch, you guys, I ended up texting the girl that I went on tour with. I told her, I says, hey, you know, I just want to know what's going on, and so she's like, I'll, you know, look into it and let you know what's going on. So I don't know, I'm still waiting for that thing. That happened like right after I finished filming this part, but yeah, I don't know if the company's hurting, but I don't know why I'm locked out at all. So when I can get not locked out, I'm probably going to redeem as much as I can, because I don't know if they're hurting or if this company's just been screwing people over. I don't know. I know a lot of you guys don't like them, but they've been good to me so far for the last, what, 3 years they've been around. So we don't know what will happen. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish getting stuff put away. I washed a bunch of dishes today. Graham's like, you know, make me proud, and I'm like, don't. When he says that, I don't do anything, because it's like, we don't say that. We don't say that. But I'm really trying to see if my mom can come down with it for next week. Possibly just stay like during the middle of the week, because she can sometimes just stay up here and watch the kids, and I can just go at it in the basement. So that's my goal, to see if she wants to come down for a couple days. We will see. But yeah, I'm working on a couple different projects. I also need to start cutting the vinyl for the wreath. I think I might do that later tonight. Just start getting everything all cut up. We will see how that goes. But I need to start working on that. And I gotta edit my 4th of July video that I never did. And then I have another video that I'm posting tomorrow morning. So I'm starting to try to get, you know, more videos, more than my vlogs. But now with things opening up, I'm still not gonna go like hardcore shopping, but I just need to do more stuff besides the vlogs. So yes, okay, so I will let you guys go. You guys have a nice day. I'm gonna get the children ready for bed, because they need to go to bed. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow.
And I've been playing this weird thinking game.
Okay, see you guys tomorrow. And I'm going to talk to you guys, if I don't remember, I'm going to start like a schedule. So like one day of the week, I'm going to mop and vacuum the floors. The next day of the week, I'm going to, you know, this is going to be like a once a week schedule. So I'm going to kind of make something up. But like one week, it's going to be, you know, cleaning the bathrooms. Another week, it's going to, or not week, day. I should do at least one project a day. But so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do, you know, on schedule for that. But I will let you guys go. I'm gonna get the kids ready for bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.